How do I troubleshoot Ring Doorbell offline issues?
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many users face: Ring Doorbell going offline. If your Ring Doorbell has stopped working or is displaying as offline in your app, don't worry. We're going to walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get it back up and running.
Why is my Ring Doorbell offline?
Before jumping into solutions, it's important to understand why your Ring Doorbell might be offline. The most common causes are Wi-Fi connection issues, power problems, or device software glitches. In this guide, we'll tackle solutions for each.
Checking your internet connection.
Firstly, let's ensure your internet connection is working well. Try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi to see if they're functioning normally. If they're not, try restarting your router by unplugging it, waiting for about 10 seconds, and plugging it back in. If your internet is working fine, but the Ring Doorbell is still offline, let's move to the next step.
Power check.
If your Ring Doorbell is battery powered, it might be offline due to a drained battery. Make sure it's charged up. If it's hardwired, check the power source to ensure it's working correctly.
Device restart.
Sometimes, a simple device restart can fix the issue. To restart your Ring Doorbell, remove it from your Ring account in the app and then set it up as a new device. Remember, removing your Ring Doorbell from your account will erase your stored video history, so save any important videos beforehand.
Update the Ring Doorbell software.
Ring frequently releases updates to improve device functionality and fix glitches. Ensure your Ring Doorbell software is up to date. You can check this in the Ring app in the Device Health section.
Contact Ring support.
If your Ring Doorbell is still offline after trying these steps, it might be time to contact Ring support. They can help diagnose more complex issues and provide additional assistance. And that's it. These steps should help you troubleshoot your offline Ring Doorbell. Remember, sometimes the issue might be out of your hands, and that's okay. Don't hesitate to contact Ring support for help. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.